Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 6, chapter 6. Today's topic is sensory organ. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about sensory organs. Sensory organs. What is sensory organs? The organs that we use to see, hear, smell, taste or feel is called sensory organs. With the help of the sensory organs, our brain is informed of everything happening in the world around us. There are 5 sensory organs are there. Number 1, eye. Number 2, ear. Number 3, nose. Number 4, tongue. Number 5, skin. Eye. Eye is the one of the most important sensory organ of our body, which helps to see everything around us. Parts of eye. Number 1, eyelids. They are the outer covering of eye. Eyelids can be opened and closed. They close to keep dirt away from the eyes. Number 2, conjunctiva. The thin and transparent membrane covering the visible part of eye is called conjunctiva. Number 3, eyeball. This is a spherical ball-like structure. Eyeballs are placed inside the orbit. They are composed of 3 layers. A. Sclera. The white top outer layer of eyeball is known as sclera. It helps remain the shape of the eye. No light can pass through it. Number B, choroid. The mid layer of the eyeball is choroid. It is a dense pigment layer. It contains many blood capillaries. Iris and lens also present in middle layer. Iris, the black and round membrane situated at the back of the cornea called iris. It is a round and pigmented membrane. There is a hole in the middle of iris which is known as pupil. And lens, there is a biconvex lens behind the pupil. The lens is elevated in the middle and narrow at the top. The lens is held with the choroid by ciliary muscle. Number C, retina. The inner layer or innermost layer of eyeball is retina. It is the light sensitive layer which consists of rod and cone cells. The lens divided the eyeballs into 2 chambers. The front chamber is filled with watery fluid and the chamber at the back is filled with jelly-like fluid. The fluid helps light to enter the eye, supply nutrient and control the shape of the eyeball. Follow the picture. The outer layer of eyeball is called sclera. Frontal part of sclera is called cornea. The middle layer of eyeball, which is white and tough, is called choroid. Into choroid, iris and lens is present. This part is iris, and the middle part between iris there is a aperture is called pupil. Lens, this is the lens, and lens divide the eyeball into two chamber, frontal chamber and back chamber. Retina is the innermost layer of eyeball, which is light sensitive. That means this inner layer is called retina. Taking care of eye. Clean eyes regularly with clean water. Use a clean cloth to wipe your eyes. Eat green leafy vegetables and fruits regularly. Ear. Ear is another important organ of our body which helps to hear everything. Parts of ear mainly divided into three. Number 1 outer ear, number 2 middle ear, number 3 inner ear. Now let's see about outer ear. Outer ear formed by mainly three parts. Number 1 pinna, number 2 ear hole, number 3 eardrum. Pinna, it is a part of outer ear. It is a flap of skin and cartilage. Its main function is to disperse sound into ear hole. Number B, ear hole. Pinna is connected to a tube called ear hole, and finally eardrum. The ear hole ends with the eardrum. This is the last portion or last part of external ear. Follow the picture. This flap-like structure which is formed by cartilage and skin is called pinna. This canal is called ear canal or ear hole, and finally this membrane is called eardrum. Middle ear. Ear-filled sac. This is the ear-filled sac which consists of three bones. Number 1 malleus, number 2 incus, number 3 stapes, and stapes is the smallest bone of our body. Inner ear. Inner ear formed by two parts, A uticulus, B sacculus. Uticulus. This chamber consists of three semicircular canals. Among these three canals, two are vertical and one is horizontal. They are covered with hair-like sensory nerves. These canals are filled with fluid. The brain is connected with auditory nerves, and the brain sends messages to the rest of the body thus maintaining a balance of our body. Sacculus. This chamber of the inner ear has a coil shell-like structure. This is known as cochlea. The walls of cochlea have auditory sensitive cells. The coil tube is filled with fluid. Please follow the picture. This lower part of inner ear is called sacculus, which is enriched of cochlea, and upper part of inner ear is called uticulus. Now, taking care of ear. Number 1, cleaning ear regularly. Number 2, being careful that water does not get into ear while bathing. Avoiding listening to music in a high volume. Dear students, there is another sensory organs also, like nose, tongue and skin. You have to read these sensory organs of our body yourselves. Thank you.